Hey y'all, it's Amber with Glow Mommy Travels, and today we have touched down in Las Vegas. Whoop whoop! It's my birthday, and we're gonna party. Hey. Anyway, so we've decided to stay at the Cosmopolitan, and it is pretty, and we are so excited to be here. Just look at the lobby; it's so pretty. It is so pretty. We gave our baggage to the wonderful concierge, and they were so nice. They're gonna hold it for us, and we are going to just explore this place until our room is ready, because it's not quite ready yet. This video is basically about the room. We're gonna show you a little bit of the hotel while we wait, but it's basically about the room. So let's go. Right now what we're doing is looking for lunch. Like I said, we just hopped off the plane. We haven't had anything to eat, so we're looking around in this area that has like a bunch of different restaurants, but it almost looks like a cafeteria, like, because it's so many in one area. It's cute. Now that we have some food in our bellies, let's get some drinks. Kick Vegas off right? So we've decided that we're gonna go have a seat and a few drinks at the Chandelier bar. Now, I've seen this online, but it's nothing like being there in person, y'all. Like, it's nothing. It doesn't even compare to being there in person. You're surrounded by all of this gorgeousness. It is just nice, very nice. Yeah, I don't know why he thinks that he is off of mute. That's funny. Yep. Guess what? Our room is ready. Our room is ready. We're excited. Let's go see it. Let's go. So, the room that we chose is a one-bedroom terrace with the fountain view. And it is absolutely everything that we could possibly have hoped for. You have a seating area and a king-size bed. Here's the area of the mini bar and fridge. It's very stylish in this hotel, all the way down to the rooms. And there's the closet. And now we have our bathroom area. It's very modern and pretty. To the left was the toilet through that door, and then to the right here is the shower, and it's open with the Japanese soaking tub to the back. It's pretty. You can literally take your bath and stare out at the city preparing to get ready for the night. It's awesome. You have your king-size bed, and all of the artwork in the hotel, including in the rooms, is very modern and upscale and interesting to look at. It makes the atmosphere just cool. And there's the Japanese soaking tub again. And it looks directly out onto the strip. It's nice. You get your private terrace with this room, so you can see everything, including the Bellagio Fountain. And you can see the Bellagio Fountain show. It's really nice, y'all. Very nice. You can see parties going on, like at the Paris Hotel over there. We could hear parties and see them. We actually went, and there'll be a video of that too. So look out for that coming soon from moi. There's the fountain show. Now, if you think the fountain show is cool, watch this. Look at that view at night. Gorgeous. Like, when you come to Vegas, this is what you want to see. Lights everywhere, pretty, just a gorgeous view. I definitely recommend staying at this hotel, and I definitely recommend having a view like this at night. You deserve it. All right, bye.